Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best table saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SKIL TS6307000 10-inch table saw with stand. The SKIL TS6307000 is a strong budget pick with smart design for small shops. The 15-amp motor handles framing lumber, plywood, and common hardwoods with steady power. The folding stand locks in fast and stays stable on rough surfaces. I like the rack and pinion fence, which moves straight and true with little fuss. The table gives solid support for crosscuts and rips, and the onboard storage keeps tools handy. For a first table saw or a weekend upgrade, this delivers a lot for the money. Accuracy is the standout, the fence tracks well, and the miter gauge is serviceable once you tune it. You can make clean rips up to a practical width for most DIY cabinets and shelving. Dust pickup is decent with a shop vac. Noise is typical for a portable saw, so ear protection is a must. If you need a low-cost workhorse that can ride to the job site and still cut square at home, this model earns its keep. It's one of the best table saw for the money options for beginners and budget buyers. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DEWALT DWE749RS 10-inch saw with rolling stand. The DEWALT DWE749RS is the class leader for value if you need capacity and accuracy. The 32-2-inch rip capacity handles wide plywood and trim. The rolling stand is tough, stable, and easy to move. The rack and pinion fence is the gold standard in this price range. It locks square, slides smooth, and stays accurate. I have pushed this saw through hardwood rips and long sheet cuts, and it kept pace with clean, straight lines. Dust collection is strong with a vac connected. Guard changes are quick. The table surface is flat, and the fence scales stay true. If you build cabinets, this saw earns time and money back on every cut. It hits the sweet spot for pros and serious hobbyists. For many users, it is the best table saw for the money because it blends job site speed with shop-grade accuracy. It travels well, sets up fast, and cuts like a larger machine when dialed in with a good blade. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DWE7485 8-1-4-inch compact table saw. The DEWALT DWE7485 is small, tough, and very accurate. It uses an 8-1-4-inch blade, which keeps the footprint compact and the weight low. The fence is the same trusted rack and pinion style found on larger DEWALT saws. That means repeatable cuts without constant tweaking. For trim carpenters and apartment DIYers, this saw slides into tight storage and still rips common plywood fast. It does not accept full dado stacks due to the smaller arbor and blade size. For many users, that's fine, since it excels at rips, crosscuts, and bevels. Dust collection is solid. Pair it with a stable stand or bench, and it turns into a precise, quiet performer. If your space is small, the DWE74085 can be the best table saw for the money because it cuts like a pro tool and fits in a closet. At number 2, we have the SKIL TS6308008 1-4-inch compact table saw. The SKIL TS6300800 is a compact 8-1-4-inch saw that aims at value and portability. It runs a 15-amp motor and gives you enough rip for common boards and sheet goods. The fence design offers easy adjustments and stays straight once dialed in. The controls are clear and the safety features are simple to engage. If you need a small saw for a tight shop or job site runs, this is a smart, low-cost choice. The stand is sold separately, which keeps the base price attractive. Add the SKIL SFS 0001 stand if you want more height and stability. Noise and vibration are reasonable for the size. It is a good match for light furniture, shelving, and trim. With the right blade, it leaves crisp edges on plywood. For many buyers, this is the best table saw for the money in the compact class, thanks to its friendly price and solid feature set. And Finally, at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT C10RJS 10-inch table saw with stand. The Metabo HPT C10RJS brings a powerful 15-amp motor and a sturdy fold-and-roll stand. The table is large for a portable unit, which gives more support on crosscuts and rips. Adjustments are clear and quick. The stand folds easily and rolls well on work sites. It has the right mix of capacity and control for framing, trim, and light furniture tasks. The rip capacity ranks among the best in its class, and the fence locks securely when tuned. Dust collection works well with a shop vac. The adjustable foot helps on uneven ground, which is a thoughtful touch. If you want pro-level features at a solid price, this is a strong pick. It belongs on any best table saw for the money short list, especially for users who want a 10-inch blade with a capable stand. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.